What is good, YouTube? Long time no see. Been a busy fourth quarter for me. Haven't really been able to film a lot, but we should be getting back to some sort of consistency here soon. A little different type of video today, more so of a vlog. I'm gonna be heading down to Virginia to my painter, drop off parts for the Glide, all the tins and stuff for the Glide that are about to get painted. So the Glide project did not stop. Sort of took a little pause to wrap up the year, spend some time with the family, holidays, bringing in New Year, so things like that. But that being said, man, Merry Christmas to all you guys. Happy New Year to everyone. It's like mid-January, but haven't seen you in a while. Hope everyone is doing well out there. Hope everyone is bringing in the new year the right way. Good spirits, good health, things like that. 2025 was definitely a busy year for me, but it was a very blessed one for me and my family, with my friends as well. Was able to do a lot of things, accomplish a lot of stuff. So hang out with me as we grab these parts and head down to Virginia to my painter. He painted my last bike. He's gonna paint this bike. Yeah, man. Back. So yeah, man, got a ride to the garage, pick up a couple parts, and then we're gonna ride down to Virginia. So just hang out with me today. We're gonna kick it, drive down there and drop these parts off, chop it up with him a little bit. Hopefully got a couple cars and stuff he painted we can check out as well. And yeah, no bike today. We're in the truck. Catch up with y'all down the road. Just touched down. My man in here putting in work.
Yes, sir.
What's this here?
This 63 Morgan.
A 63 Morgan is a customer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This shit is European car.
I never even heard of a Morgan. I never even heard of a Morgan.
Yeah, there's only 600 made of these. Oh shit, this shit is beating my ass, man.
All these. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. There's a lot of body lines on this.
Yeah,
All right, I'm gonna unload this stuff.
Yeah.
Get them situated.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, for your shit, I was thinking about it's gonna be silver flake.
Down, just unloaded all the shit, man. Advan Black. Pretty much everything's Advan Black except for the stock parts. But man, it's gonna look nice. I got something in the works, man. My guy's ready to hook it up. He's in here working. Got a hood in here. He's wrapping up. It's gonna look dope. Showed you that. Morgan, he's in there working on. He's got some nice joints in here. Some nice joints. Got nice stuff planned and in the works. thing.
See.
Yeah. This joint nice. What year is this?
87.
87 is what's that, Monte Carlo or
Cutlass.
Cutlass Supreme? What's this over here?
That's the parts of the car.
Oh, the Morgan?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
The door, the rear
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is nice.
Yes, sir. She got painted right there in the back.
Mm-hmm. Right on there? Yeah. How long you been painting, bro?
I've been painting for over 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah. Regular shit though, not like, you know, pattern and stuff.
Right.
I started doing that maybe 2000, going on maybe between 2015, something like that. I went to go learn this shit.
Yeah, 2015. I got the little chain on the chain wheel on the lawnmower.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, low rider.
Paint job,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
Chameleon paint job on there. The low rider steering wheel.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna post your link in the video too, so like anybody interested, if you in Maryland or Virginia, or if you ain't scared of taking that drive, come down here, holla at my man. He paint.
If they ain't scared to make the drive,
Yeah.
come on down.
Yeah, he painted my bike, the white one with the red flames. Painted my boy Nick's bike, and he got a
That shit is stolen down.
yeah.
They stole that
Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, Nick's bike's gone. He said he's getting something else, but
Yep.
yeah, real good work, man. Come holler at my guy. About to get back up the damn road. 2-hour drive. It's fucking rain ain't making it no easier, but big things in the works. Bike's gonna look crazy when we get done. Signing off on this one. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one.